Hey there, lovely. I know you want to fall asleep. I know that you're struggling to fall asleep, but guess what? You're going to be okay. Just lay back, close your eyes, imagine yourself in this warm, white room. Now make sure you prayed. Close your eyes, listen to the wind blowing and blowing and blowing. You are falling asleep. You are gonna be okay. Listen to these music just before you start to listen. Just hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on my next sound that I will come with. Sweet dreams.